This video will demonstrate the deployment and configuration of the pin height inspection solution during the production line integration phase. Prior to this, ensure that measurement deployment and quality judgment have been accomplished. The configuration in this video continues to be performed through Mech-MSR. First, conduct test runs. Measure OK and NG sample workpieces to verify the output results. Next, establish communication with the upper-level system to transmit measurement results. Before formal production, configure the production interface for easy viewing of the system's operating status and data, ensuring the stability of the inspection process. Now, let's move on to the specific steps. Following the test runs, configure the statistical report to aid in subsequent production management. Select the measurement item to be reviewed and save the settings. After the project has been running for a period, data can be queried as needed. Next, configure communication and conduct system integration tests. Access the Communication Output tab to add the required measurement item. Then, enter the communication configuration window. In this scenario, the TCP ASCII protocol is used. Confirm settings such as the port parameter and command format, and ensure that results are automatically pushed after each project run. At this point, we can enable the communication service. Once communication with the upper-level system is established, run the project manually. Upon successful data transmission, switch the project execution settings to enable continuous image acquisition and measurement. Meanwhile, ascertain that the upper-level system can consistently obtain measurement results. Finally, customize the production interface to integrate statistical data and measurement results on the same page. With the configuration done as required, we can view the project's operational status, image data, and statistics. From here, we can also access previously set up statistical report for convenient data viewing and filtering. This finalizes all configurations for pin height measurement and inspection. For more detailed operations, please refer to our documentation.